Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix mouse lagging and stuttering problem on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if your mouse is lagging or stuttering while operating your Windows, then I will show you a couple of steps you can try and fix this. In this, the first method is you have to just click on start menu, then click on settings. Click on the system. In left side you will find accessibility, click on that. Scroll down. Here you will find mouse, click on that. Here you will find under related setting, mouse, pointer and mouse. You have to just click on this. You can try by changing this setting. Scroll inactive windows when hovering over them. Just turn it off and check whether your issue has been resolved or not. You can try the second method. You have to go to this settings again, click on accessibility, scroll down, click on mouse. Here you will find mouse pointer, click on this. You will find your mouse, click on this. You will find your additional mouse setting, click on this. If this option is not working, then you can type your control panel. Click on the control panel. Here you will find mouse. If you are unable to see mouse here, what you have to do, you will see here view by default it is selected as category. You have to select as large icon. If you select category, you will see this type of screen. Then you have to change it to large icon. In this, you will find mouse, click on the mouse. You can see the mouse properties has been opened. Here you have to click on pointer options. Then you can check by changing this setting, display pointer trails, and click on apply, then click OK. After trying second option, if still you are facing the issue, then you can try by doing the third method. Click on search menu, then type your device manager. Click on the device manager. Here you will find mice and other pointing devices. You have to just uninstall your mouse driver. Uninstall, then click on uninstall. And do the same method for this second driver. Right click, uninstall. After uninstalling, restart your PC. After restarting, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix mouse lagging or stuttering problem on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.